Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mixed roti. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want a blend of flours like whole wheat, chickpea, and millet for that authentic taste. Don't forget to include finely chopped vegetables such as fresh spinach or fenugreek leaves. These additions not only boost nutrition, but also add wonderful flavor and texture to your rotis. It's all about creating a rich, wholesome base. Now let's prepare the dough. Begin by thoroughly mixing all your dry ingredients together. Then, gradually add water, kneading the mixture until it transforms into a soft, pliable dough. This step is crucial for the roti's texture. Once kneaded, allow the dough to rest for at least 15 minutes. This resting period helps the dough develop elasticity, making it much easier to roll out later.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money and investing. It's a simple, straightforward guide to financial independence. You can find the link for this book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your dough ready, it's time to shape and cook. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized portions to ensure consistent rotis. Roll each portion into a thin, round disc, aiming for about 6 inches in diameter. Next, place your rolled roti on a hot griddle or tawa. Cook it until you see beautiful golden brown spots appearing on both sides, indicating it's perfectly done. Your delicious mixed rotis are now ready to be served. For an extra touch of richness, add a small dollop of ghee or butter on top of each hot roti. They pair wonderfully with a variety of dishes, from your favorite curries and spicy pickles to cool, refreshing yogurt. Enjoy this nutritious and flavorful bread as a main course or a delightful side dish with any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.